Students, today we are going to understand next sum from accounting for debentures. Sum number 26. A company purchased its own 6,000 debentures of rupees 400 each at rupees 415 in the open market and immediately cancels them after purchase. Pass journal entries in the books of company. First entry will be own debentures account debit to bank account. Then students, on 6,000 debentures 415 price is paid by the company for purchasing its debentures in the open market. So 6,000 multiplied by 415, then amount will be 24 lakh 90,000. Then narration, being purchased 6,000 debentures from the market at rupees 415 per debenture. Then students, in next entry, the company will immediately cancel them after purchase. Then the entry will be for the cancellation of debentures. So debentures account debit. And here face value will be transferred to debentures account, means 6,000 multiplied by 400. The value will be 24 lakh. Then in credit side, we have to credit own debentures account credit. Then there is more amount in credit side than debit side. So there will be a difference amount in debit side. So we will leave one line. Then we will write 2 own debentures account. And here 24 lakh 90,000 is there in own debentures account debit side, and we will also write it in credit side 24 lakh 90,000. Then the difference amount will be loss on redemption of debenture account debit, and the difference is 90,000. Then narration, being cancellation of own purchased debentures. Then students, in the last entry we will transfer loss on redemption of debenture account to statement of P&L account. So here loss on redemption of debenture account is debit, and when we will transfer it to statement of P&L account, then it will be credited. So here the entry will be statement of P&L account debit to loss on redemption of debenture account. Then the amount transferred is 90,000. Then narration, being loss on redemption of debenture account is transferred to statement of P&L account. Then students, here it is not necessary to make the total. Then इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है स्टूडेंट्स हमारा सम नंबर 26. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे अपने साथ स्टूडेंट्स. आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.